Hello and welcome you all. Myself Dhananjay Patil, lecturer Kekewag Institute of Pharmacy, Nashik. Today we are going to learn about Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substance Act 1985. This is part 2. Part 1 we already covered in previous video. Contains illicit traffic, authorities and officers, the Narcotic Drug and Psychotropic Substances Consultative Committee, Prohibition, Control and Regulation, power of central government to permit, control and regulate. Illicit traffic. Supplement to narcotic drugs. The Prevention of the Illicit Traffic in Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Ordinance 1988. It includes cultivating any coca plant or gathering any portion of coca plant, cultivating the opium poppy or any cannabis plant, engaging in the production, manufacture, possession, sale, purchase, transportation, warehousing, concealment, interstate import, interstate export, import to India, export from India, or transshipment of narcotic drugs or psychotropic substances, dealing in narcotic drugs or psychotropic substances, handling or letting any premises for the use for any of the referred in 1 to 4 subclause is called as illicit traffic. Financing any activity by himself or through any other person in the furtherance or in support of doing any of the aforesaid act, harboring person engaged in any of the activities specified in 1 to 6, or abetting or conspiring in the furtherance or in support of the doing any of the aforesaid act, except to the extent permitted under the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985, or any rule or order made or any condition of any license, permit, or authorization issue thereunder. Special provisions relating to coca plant and coca leaves for use in the preparation of flavoring agent. Notwithstanding anything contained in Section 8, the central government may permit, with or without condition, and on behalf of government, the cultivation of any coca plant or gathering of any portion thereof, or the production, possession, sale, purchase, transport, import, interstate, export, interstate, or import into India of coca leaves for use in the preparation of any flavoring agent which shall not contain any alkaloid, and to the extent necessary for such use. Special provision relating to cannabis. Notwithstanding anything contained in Section 8, government may by the general or special order, and subject to such condition as may be specified in such order, allow cultivation of any cannabis plant for industrial purpose only of obtaining fiber or seed or for horticulture purposes. Authorities and officers. Chapter 2 contains authorities and officers. First, central government. Chapter 2, Section 4. To take measures for preventing and combating abuse and illicit traffic in narcotic drugs, etc. Coordination of action by various officers, state government and authorities under this act or under any other law or time being enforced relating to enforcement of provision of this act, obligations under the International Convention, assistance to concerned authorities in foreign countries, and concerned international organization regarding prevention and suppression of illicit traffic in narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances, identification, treatment, education, aftercare, rehabilitation, and social re-interaction of addicts. Such other matters for effective implementation of this act and preventing and combating the abuse of narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances and illicit traffic therein. Officers of central government. Under the provision of this act, the central government may appoint narcotic commissioner and such other officers as it thinks fit. Perform the function relating to supervision of cultivation of opium poppy, production of opium, other function as may be entrusted to him central government. The Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substance Consultative Committee. Under Chapter 2, Section 6, the central government may constitute by notification in the official gazette an advisory committee to be called the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substance Consultative Committee, hereafter in this section referred to as the committee, to advise the central government on such matters relating to the administration of this act as are referred to it by the government from time to time. Chapter 3, Prohibition, Control and Regulation. prohibition of certain operation as per chapter 3 section 8. So no person shall cultivate any coca plant or gather any portion of the coca plant or cultivate the opium poppy or any cannabis plant or produce, manufacture, possess, sell, purchase, transport, warehouse, use, consume, import, interstate, export, interstate, import into India, export from India, or transship any narcotic drugs or psychotropic substance, except for medical or scientific purposes and in the manner and to the extent provided by the provision of this Act or the rules or orders made thereunder. Powers of central government to permit, control, and regulate. Subject to the provision under Chapter 3 of Section 9, the central government may, by the rules, permit and regulate the cultivation or gathering of any portion, such cultivation or gathering being only on account of the central government, of coca plant or the production, possession, sale, purchase, transport, import, interstate, export, interstate, use or consumption of coca leaf, the cultivation, such cultivation being only on account of central government, of the opium poppy, the production and manufacture of opium and production of poppy straw, the sale of opium and opium derivatives from the central government factories for export from India or sale to state government or to manufacturing chemist, the manufacture of manufactured drugs other than prepared opium, but not including manufacture of medicinal opium or any preparation containing any manufactured drug from materials which the maker is lawfully entitled to possess. The manufacture, possession, transport, import, interstate, export, interstate, sale, purchase, consumption, or use of psychotropic substances, the import into India and export from India, and transshipment of narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances, prescribe any other matters requisite to render effective the control of the central government over any of the matters specified in Clause A. In particular, and without prejudice to the generality of the foregoing power, such rules may empower the central government to fix from time to time the limits within the licenses may be given for the cultivation of the opium poppy, required that all opium, the produce of the land cultivated with the opium poppy, shall be delivered by the cultivator to the officer authorized in his behalf by the central government. Prescribe the forms and condition of licenses for cultivation of the opium poppy and for production and manufacture of opium, the fees that may be charged therefore, the authorities by which such licenses may be granted, withheld, refused, or cancelled, and authorities before which appeals against the order of withholding, refusal, or cancellation of licenses shall lie. Prescribe that opium shall be weighed, examined, and classified according to its quality consistent by the officer authorized in this behalf by the central government in the presence of the cultivator at the time of delivery by the cultivator. Empower the central government to fix from time to time the price to be paid by the cultivator for the opium delivered. Thank you so much. Part 3 we will be covered in next video.